This is a west facing villa. This is from the entrance. This is the entrance, and to the exact right, one bedroom is there, master bedroom. This is another window. This is wash area, and this is kitchen. Perfect vastu. This is main hall. This is upstairs. And this is powder room or guest washroom. Upstairs. These are glasses. This is another bedroom to the left of the staircase. This is the second bedroom. This is Pooja room. To the right, we have one more bedroom. This is common washroom. This is a fourth bedroom. And this one we have already seen. And this is huge balcony. Sit out area, balcony. The upstairs, one more bedroom, and we can use it as home theater also, or bedroom. This one, very near to DLF, and just stone throw away from DLF, and 5 minutes from financial district, in the heart of Gachibowli. We can reach ORR in couple of minutes. You can use it as a office also, or home theater, or an extra bedroom. And this is in the top floor. This one is a star supermarket, which you are seeing, and that is also a Zudio. The building which you are seeing is a DLF building, Hyderabad, very near to this villa. And very greenery on top floor. Thank you very much. Please call me. I am Venkatesh Kalkuri.